Today I'm taking you through my full experience using Commercial Bank International, also known as CBI, one of the more recognized banks in the UAE. The site and app both reflect a modern approach to banking, but not without their drawbacks. I'll begin with the account setup process. The interface is clean and visually appealing, and I found the initial registration straightforward. After uploading my Emirates ID and completing the verification steps, I received a confirmation email within 48 hours. However, this timeline might vary based on the volume of applications, and some users have reported longer wait times. Navigating the website feels intuitive. The menu is well structured, and you can easily access personal, business, and corporate banking options. One of the better aspects is the CBI mobile app, which syncs with the desktop version. From checking balances to managing credit cards or paying bills, most functions are accessible within a few taps. That said, the app occasionally lags, especially during high traffic periods, like salary dates or holidays. Security-wise, they use multi-factor authentication, which is expected, but I did experience an issue where the SMS OTP didn't arrive on time. This happened on more than one occasion and might be a concern for users who need urgent access. Another point worth noting is the lack of real-time chat support. While they do offer phone and email support, the response time wasn't ideal. It took almost 24 hours to get a reply to a query I had about international transfers. The site promotes several useful products, like personal loans and flexible savings plans. However, the advertised interest rates aren't always what you get. Upon further inquiry, the rates depend heavily on your salary, employer, and credit score. So it's not as transparent as it could be. Many useful links you can find in the description. I also tested their international transfer service. The process was relatively smooth, but not the most competitive in terms of exchange rates or speed. Transfers can take up to 3 working days, and there's a fixed fee, which might not be ideal for smaller transactions. On the plus side, the dashboard provides a great overview of your finances. You can categorize expenses, set savings goals, and even receive monthly insights, which is a feature not all UAE banks offer. The user interface, while clean, could still benefit from a faster response time and fewer redirects. As for the credit card offerings, there are decent reward systems in place, but the approval process takes time. From application to activation, mine took about 2 weeks. The tracking system on the site kept me updated, which helped, but it's worth noting that the process could be quicker compared to other UAE banks. Overall, Commercial Bank International is a solid choice if you're looking for a straightforward banking experience with digital convenience. But it's not perfect. There are occasional technical hiccups, and support could be faster. Still, it offers most of the core services that expats and residents would need. If you're considering opening an account or just curious about how CBI compares to other banks in the UAE, I hope this review helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and hit the subscribe button for more honest banking reviews in the UAE.